everybody, welcome to another episode of Casey's Garage. Today we're going to be putting some VEGA modified side skirts on my Focus. So let's get the car pulled in. Let's get this thing jacked up and put on my rollers here. So now that we got it lifted up on my rollers, we're going to spin it around a little bit just so it's easier to work on and film and stuff. So. Looks good. Alright, now we can get these unboxed. Let's see what they actually look like. Nice gloss black. End pieces. Wrapped up super well, apparently. Yeah. These are the little end plates. Guess that's the wrong one. You guys really protect these. Everything looks good and nice. Let's start getting it installed, I guess. So let's get the pop clips pulled off the side skirt so we can start getting this bolted up. so we got the side skirts fully installed. Shout out to VEGA Modified. These went on super smooth. We're gonna keep this a shorter episode today. We're gonna throw the other ones on off camera. Everything's the same, so you don't need to see those. We do got a couple bigger projects coming up you're definitely not gonna wanna miss. So make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching Casey's Garage.